One way.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would leave me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh, ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. It make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later the night when I was asleep, he left a dollar under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with you, I'd play a song that would never ever end. Because I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside the door, I hear how my mom cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me.
Effects. Effects still.
I know I break promise to yours, but could you send back the only relationship? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord is starting to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream.